Girls, stay. Go. Well, it hasn't rained, or still. And again, the weather says right now it's raining. And it has not even rained. Even it says raining. And I mean, nothing is wet. It has not rained. And it said since last night it's supposed to be raining. Dink. Sit. Have a good day. Happy New Year.
All right.
Don't jump. No, they just want to play.
Yeah, just want to play.
They want to play too much though. Well, that one does. She wants to play. Everybody's her best friend. How are you doing?
Oh, everything been good.
Good. You look good. That's awesome.
Hey, yes, sir. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
From the post office, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You just grew your beard longer.
Yeah. Well,
I'm trying to get mine out there.
Hell, I'm getting older. I'm way older than you are. Hey, when you get my age, you'll get it though.
Hey, I have my beard in by the time I get there.
How it going, man? Hey, that's the wow, he looks different. That's the insect guy. He's got the other three-wheeled electric bike deal with the whole thing and his whole shop thing on the back, and he goes to the post office every day, sets up and it says incense. And don't get me wrong, he can't be like making a living just selling the incense. Something, it's a side deal, which is good. That's something like I need my and pay my bills like right now, and then if I need something extra, which I do, and so I need a side little job deal. But like him, now I'm feeling the sprinkles. But again, there's none on my glasses, so. But again, it says that it's raining right now, present, and it has been raining, past caca. It has been raining, past tense, and future tense. That it's going to continue to rain all day and even all week. But again, nothing's wet, and it is not raining. But I do feel a drizzle. But again, another thing is on my glasses. Not even a little piece of water. Hey! Okay, there's a piece. One little drop. This way. This way. One little drop on my glasses. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Here. That was the birds, Miss Dinkers. Was that Fluffy, Mary Jane? That little Fluffy? Hi, Fluffy, baby. Hey, baby. Happy New Year, Bubba. Sit down. Have a good one. Think. Think. Hi, Fluffy baby. Stay. Go. Go. This big boy. His other one, his brother. Oh, I guess it was like a Borbo also, or Conic. Hey, baby, I like your sweater. I know it's gonna rain. Think, get out of there. Because Princess up here, she's one of those also Borbo or the Conic. I get confused, but one was one and one was the other, whatever. But that one back there, I hadn't seen him in months. He must be gone. Like Roscoe passed away. He had that big tumor thing, growth thing on his leg, and whatever. Yeah, but then he passed away. It sucks. He was old and stuff too. Anyway. Well, I didn't see that big boy this morning. He's probably inside, I guess. But yeah, so, and then Princess down here, I didn't realize how old she was. She's with the new, they've got 3, and I named them all because I don't know their names. See, you come over here and sit down. You come over here and sit down. Stay. Dink. Dink. Girls. Girls. Good girls. And you sit down and you want a piece? Come here, you want a piece? You can have it. You can have both of them. And I didn't realize how old she was. Wait. Go. That's probably my fed eggs right there. This one. That's probably my fed egg right there. Which is not supposed to be there. It's 9 o'clock. But that's probably them because I'm saying this. And because I've seen it, and watch, they're going to turn on my road. Because I'm saying it, and if they turn, then I know. Let's see. When they turn, of course, I'm just, I'm going to assume, just know that it's mine first. And, hey, babe. And, then they turn, I think. And I'm going to know. No, they didn't. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Where's baby Daisy? What was this saying? Oh yeah, I was talking about Princess here, and then that other one. There's Princess, baby. There's a princess, baby. There's a big boy, and there's a little babies. There's a princess. There's a princess. There's a princess. There's a princess, baby. And so I named all three of them, and then they got the Great Dane, and I didn't realize. I mean, and then they got the Great Dane, which reminded me of Chance, which we haven't been over there because of the rain by the park. But because of the Great Dane, and Chance is a Great Dane, and then Chance is like cow type. Calico, is that? No. Is that? What is it called? Go. Cow color, the black and white. And then this one is Dalmatian black and white colors. But I call this one Chance 2. Hey, this is not hiding. This is not tag time. Come on. Hey, what did I say? It's not tag time. Where's Jane? Where's Jane? Let's think he goes back some more though. Dinky. And her behavior with the kind of dominance, whatever, is like you would get from the Chihuahua type, whatever. But I think it's like the pit bull part mostly that gives her more of the aggression. Chihuahua, pug, pit bull, Labrador. And I think to my think Mary Jane, my understanding, the Chihuahua and the pit bull would have more of the aggression part roles to play in her genetics, or whatever. And Mary Jane, she, tries to show off, and I think that's it has to be pretty much the Belgian part of her, where she does the kind of snarl with the teeth, like kind of snarl growl type with the teeth. That just hey my baby girl, hey my baby girl. Hey big mama, hey big mama, hey big mama, hey big mama. And Coco, yeah, we love this baby. Who's that baby? Who's that baby Dinky? We love this baby. Yes we do. We love this baby. Yes we do. Yes we do. Yes we do. We love you, mama. We love you, mama. She getting so big and fat. Hey, big boy. You want peace? Here. Hey, Jane. Yeah, but she'll do that snarl, kind of like a intimidation type. But it's vicious. And it looks, and I've yet to get a picture though, and I will. You know, it's got to be. I don't like to kind of push her to do it. I want her to do it, you know, on instinct and on self or whatever. Mary Jane. But see, Dink. What I say? Stay. Go. Oh my God. Good morning. Po, you better get in there. Po. Po, you better get in there. You better get in there. Po. You better get. Mary Jane, go. Po, you better get in there. Po.
Nice,
Look,
nice.
Mama.
Nice. Okay,
Come on.
okay, it's nice.
Good baby.
Yeah. You know? Good boy.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I hope he likes it.
Thank you for the
It's just a dog treat, you know. I hope he likes it.
Thank you so much.
And I was gonna put it sooner, but the rain.
Mira, ven, poca stuff.
He's like, okay.
Good girl. Ay.
Thank you.
Okay,
How are you doing?
Good.
You good?
Yeah, all good. And dice, como dice, my life, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, because
That's
I
good.
enjoy the life.
That's good.
Yeah.
You need to.
Oh,
You
yeah?
need to enjoy it. Well, we love you. Happy New Year.
That's happy.
Girls. Who's that? Big Po? And Mama? I hear you, boy.